numbers, if b cubed is equal to a, then b is called the cube root of a. Every real number has a unique cube root, and it is called the principal cube root. Now, 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 8. Therefore, the cube root of 8 is 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 is equal to negative 8. Therefore, the cube root of negative 8 is negative 2. Similarly, 3 times 3 times 3 is equal to 27. Cube root of 27 is 3. Negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 is equal to negative 27. Principal cube root of negative 27 is negative 3. 0 times 0 times 0 is 0. Therefore, the cube root of 0 is 0. Since 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64. Cube root of 64 is 4. Similarly, the cube root of negative 64 is negative 4. Cube root of 1 over cube root of 27. Cube root of 1 is 1, and cube root of 27 is 3. Cube root of negative 1 over 27 is negative 1/3. Here's a list of commonly seen cube roots that may help you to solve the following problems. The first one, we need to simplify cube root of 16. Now, the perfect cube that's a factor of 16 is 8. So cube root of 16 is cube root of 8 times cube root of 2. Cube root of 8 is equal to 2. So our answer is 2 cube root of 2. Cube root of 81. The perfect cube that's a factor of 81 is 27. Cube root of 81 is equal to cube root of 27 times cube root of 3. 3 times 27 is 81. Cube root of 27 is 3. Our answer is 3 cube root of 3. Now, for the variable, we need to divide 14 by 3. And 4 times 3 is 12. And 14 minus 12 is 2. So our answer is x to the 4th times cube root of x squared. Now, how does it work? Well, we can write cube root of x to the 14th as cube root of x to the 12th, which is the rational part, times cube root of 2. Now, cube root of x to the 12th, x to the 12th is x to the 4th cube. Cube root of x to the 4th cube is equal to x to the 4th. So our answer is x to the 4th times cube root of x squared. Cube root of 40m7 n squared. 40, the perfect cube that's a factor of 40, is 8, and we're left with 5. M to the 6 is a perfect cube. We're left with M. And n to the second is irrational. So cube root of 8m6 is 2m2, 6 divided by 3, times cube root of 5mn squared. That's our answer. Cube root of y to the 28th is equal to cube root of y to the 27, which is the perfect square, times cube root of y. 27 divided by 3 is 9, so our answer is y to the 9th times cube root of y. Here's an important list of the properties of cube roots. They are similar to the properties of square root that we've studied before. The techniques also are similar, the techniques for simplification. First, we put everything together. Cube root of 3 times 16, which is 48, x to the 9th. Then we separate the perfect cube from the irrational. The perfect cube for 48 is 8. We're left with 6. And x to the 9th, because 9 is divisible by 3, is a perfect cube. So cube root of 8x9 is 2x cubed times cube root of 6, and we're done. For number 2, we're going to put everything together. Cube root of 55 divided by 5, 11. And 19 minus 4 is 15. 11x 15. Now, x 15 is divisible by 3 is the rational part, and 11 is the irrational part. Cube root of x to the 15 is equal to x to the 5th, and our answer is x to the 5th times cube root of 11. Cube root of 7 plus 8 cube root of 7 is 9 cube root of 7 minus 5 cube root of 7. 9 minus 5 is 4 cube root of 7. They are like radicals, so we could just combine them. 9 cube root of 4 plus, well, cube root of 32 is really cube root of 8 times cube root of 4. So the problem is 9 cube root of 4 plus 2 cube root of 4. Cube root of 8 is 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. Therefore, our solution is 11 cube root of 4. 6x cube root of 3x minus 5. Well, cube root of 81 is cube root of 27 times 3. 27 times 3. So 27 is the perfect cube. And x to the 7th is x to the 6th, the perfect cube, times x. We're going to keep 6x squared cube root of 3x minus 5 cube root of 27x to the 6 is equal to 3x squared. times cube root of 3x. 6 of them minus 15 of them. So 6x squared cube root of 3x, that's 6 of them, minus 5 times 3, 15, x squared cube root of 3x. You see, 6 of them minus 15 of them. Therefore, 6 minus 15 will be negative 9. Negative 9 x squared cube root of 3x.